Welcome back. So we have these to unmold and something interesting happening back there. Turn on the light. So let's come around and get this going. Okay, what do I want to start with? I might as well take these off because they're, what you call it. So I realize if I'm doing drainage holes, I need something to elevate the items. Oh crap. Oh, this is gonna be fun to come off. Thought this was gonna be easy. Oh, these are in there. Crap, it's because they're so small too. I can't get like a good grip on it to pull. There we go. My fingernail them come in handy. But there we go. I bought these little molds for a replacement for my pendant because it's a perfume bottle and the top part broke, and they're actually like earrings, but I was hoping they had different shapes, but they're all square, so I was like, I'm not using it for that. But here we are. Now it can stand on its own. I don't necessarily like these, but this is a last minute fix. But yeah. And since we're on the subject, I did one and then did the back part same time. So let's see how that came out. Because I was like, let me see. I had some leftover resin from the items that I'm about to unmold in a sec. And let's see if this is elevated enough, because I just like dipped it before it like fully cured so that it can be raised a little bit. And yeah, it stands. It's not super high off the ground, which is fine because it doesn't need to be, but it just needs to be elevated enough so that it's not just flat on the ground, so that the water can pass through. Do I have something flat I can put this on so I can show y'all? I don't have anything right now, but it's a little elevated, which is all we really need. So them two are ready. And in order of requests, we're gonna do these because this is like my third time making one of these. She thick. Okay, she's like gold all over her body. Yeah. I really don't like this mold because they don't come out as smooth as I like them to be. Like, yes, I understand we all got stretch marks, but like, it's not what I was going for. I wanted it to be smooth. But it's a candle holder. There we go. Ow. We got a few air bubbles, but I'm okay with it because natural bodies are in. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. And here's her man. Ooh. Oh, man. Okay, so this one gives me the most grief because the top part, this keeps happening. So I'm gonna have to drill out the top part so we can get an opening for the head, for the candle holder portion. But here we are. The man arm comes out smoother, which really makes me sad because I would rather for the girl to be, you know. But anyways, this one, I let the black sit too long and it started hardening. So I had to like work fast on finishing this. So let's see how that came out. All right, fingernail them come in handy though. Oh, this got hot. Whenever you see it like stick to the resin so bad, that's how I know it was like hot. Please don't give me too much grief, okay? Because this one's always a bitch to come out of the mold. All right, now I need to start being so finicky about the possibility of my nails breaking, because obviously they do okay. If anything, it hurts me more than anything, but what's a little pain? Ah! Come on, man. All right. Oh, okay. All right, yeah, love it. This wasn't what I wanted to do, but like I said, the black the black started hardening, so I had to work fast. But here we are. And let's see how this one came out. Yeah, is this the same black? No, this wasn't the same black. Why this one tough so? I love making cups, but they give me so much grief to take out of the mold. Okay, wait a minute, because I saw some. Yep, there's the air bubble. It wasn't that bad. Okay, so when oh, that one. Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay, wait. I think I'm in love. I'm not gonna go over that. I kind of like that little imperfection there. But yeah, black, green, and gold, because I won Jamaica. But this is for someone who is truly Jamaican. So got a personalization in there. And is that how you write a J? Oh shit, did I put it backwards? I did put it backwards. I hope he doesn't notice. I hope he doesn't notice. Oh my god, but this looks so pretty. Because, okay, so I did the gold first, and then I did the black, and then I did the green, and I had like a lot of green left over, and I thought this was a hole. That's what it was. I thought this was like a air bubble, but it's just a really thin part where the gold settled. But I did the rest like afterwards, because I had a whole lot of green left over, and then I dripped some black in there with some gold powder, and I love how this came out. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna take pictures and send this to them, because I love this bad. I gotta clean it up first, of course, and then yeah. But this ate down. Okay, I'll come back around. But I'm pleased, because like this looks really good. Like really good. Like did I show y'all the back? I showed y'all the back. But yeah, black, green, and gold up front. Yeah. Now I feel like I want to make a black, green, and gold tray, because I don't think I've made a black, green, and gold tray. I have not. Oh, I can do ideas. Okay. I'm excited. I just had an idea for something. Yeah. I know what I'm about to do. That's going to be the next project. But yeah, these are my obligations to people. I decided to sit down and get the things that I have to make for people out of the way, so that I don't feel so anxious about all the other things I want to create for me. So these two are samples for a friend who makes shower spells, shower steamers. It's just it's a sample just so she can see, like, get an idea of like what it would look like or whatever. But yeah, this is an order, and then this is a bartering thing that I'm doing with someone, because none of y'all business. Either way, I'm excited with how everything came out. Thank you so much for sitting through this with me. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you check out All Things Pointless. And whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.